How to get better ping in any game. As you can see, I'm playing Valorant right now and my ping is somewhere around 180 to 200 milliseconds, which is making my game lag and glitch out so much that I'm barely able to play. So what I like to do is get an application to fix my ping. Just go down to the description and click on the link to this website. Great, now go ahead and click on this link right here. It will take you to this official site of GearUp, which helps in giving you lower pings, and you can just go ahead and download it for free and check it out as a free trial. Before you do that, you can just see how trusted GearUp is by just looking at the endorsements right here. I'm going to press download and wait. It has been downloaded now, and I can just click on it and set it up. This should take less than a minute, so go ahead and do that. Now all the games that you have on your device will show up here. You can just explore around here. As I hover around Valorant, you can see the boost button. Just go ahead and click on it and select the server that is closest to you. Great, then press on launch, and as you can see, my ping is about 40 milliseconds right now. I went from about 190 milliseconds to 40 milliseconds, which is 5 times less. So go ahead and check it out and just see it for yourself. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.